Okay guys, once you've got the vehicle jacked up, supported, and the wheel taken off, you're going to want to make sure that your e-brake is not set. It's very important because it'll be very difficult to get this clip off right here. So let's remove it. Okay, next step's going to be to pull the cable out. And then fish it out of the lower control arm. There you go. Okay guys, next step is going to be to remove the rear balance. I guess they call it an offset balancer for the rear end, and the bolt is directly behind that. You won't need to do this step if you have a lift, but if you're doing it on your back in your garage like me, it just makes it easier. Okay, with the rear end counterweight exposed, you can clearly see the lower control arm bolt. Remove this bolt, remove the lower control arm. Okay guys, finally got the factory lower control arm off, and wanted to do a little side-by-side comparison. You can clearly see the difference in the two, not only in size and strength, but the bushings on the stock ones are just rubber that you can tell that's where all your deflection is going to come from. Pick one up here. Clearly see there's enough room in there basically to allow wheel hop. BMR, polyurethane bushing, Zerk fitting so you can grease, there you have it. Another thing I wanted to show you is these things are offset for the driver and the passenger. Make sure you get those on right. Don't forget to also grease these up so you don't have any suspension noise. And once installed, don't forget to grease the Zerk fitting. Okay guys, got her all greased up and ready to go back in. Just want to show you. It's better to have a little bit more and then just clean up the job after than not have enough and have a suspension noise, squeak, creak. This is the stuff I use. Always had really good luck, so why change it up? Nothing left to do but put it back together. Okay guys, one of the things I wanted to show you is you can clearly see the offset needs to go towards the inside, facing the differential. It'll install both ways, but you'll clearly see that one way is crooked and one way the control arm sits straight. Don't remember to torque these down to 130 foot-pounds and then grease the Zerk fitting.